You're watching a breakfast news flash from MBBC.
Hello and welcome to the Mini Boden Broadcasting Corporation.
We have come up with important missions to help you and your families put the fun into isolation. Your missions, should you choose to accept them, are to test out these ideas yourself and report back to us here at MBBC HQ.
You could win a brilliant prize if you do. First up, our grown-up helper in the kitchen, Thomasina Miers, gets busy baking with her 3 minis. Over to you, Tommy.
Hi, my name's Tommy Miers and this is Tatty.
Hi.
Ottie and Izzy, and we are going to be cooking a really delicious lemon and lime cake. Tats, can you start creaming the butter and sugar for me by turning it on? And you can already see that the butter is much lighter in colour, and that's what we're looking for, a lovely light softened butter. Who's going to add the first egg? Okay, sip. Do you know how to do it? Against your hands. Patty can show you. That's it. There, you're both doing it. Well done. Great. Okay, let's get it in. Nice. Okay, and then some flour.
Can I sip it?
Yeah, of course you can. Just put it in there and then you can take the sip from me. There you are. Good girl. Excellent. And we've got a lovely light mix here, ready to add the citrus juice. Can you remember when we were zesting what we don't want in there?
Thumbs.
Definitely don't want thumbs in, do we? We don't want the white pith, because that is really bitter. We just want the lovely fragrant zest, because that's got all the lovely lemon and lime oils. And the rest of the lemons and limes we are going to try and candy the top of the cake. So we've got the juice of 3 lemons and 2 limes going in. Well done, girls. Bit by bit, not too fast because we want to just slowly incorporate it. Now the only thing we're going to add now is a tiny bit of double cream. We've got a tablespoon and a half, just to pour in. Or you can have Greek yoghurt, would work equally well. And that is ready for the tin. All nicely buttered and floured, so the cake comes out nicely. And you just knead it into the cake tin. Lovely. Excellent. And that is going to go in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Now we've got the cake in, I thought we could decorate our cake with candied peel, which is all the lovely citrus juices, and we're going to soak it in a sugar syrup and cook it like that. It's going to be delicious. So Tatty and Ottie, you need to grab a spoon each from the jar, and you just need to scrape out all the insides of that citrus. You can see here,
Okay, this one needs
you just pull away the flesh, it just comes away. I love you doing your music. So I'm going to put them in this pan of water, bring it to the boil, and once that's been brought to the boil, I'm going to discard the water. I'm going to cover them with water again for the second time, bring to the boil, discard with water. So this has been brought to the boil for the second time. I'm going to drain it once more, and lastly, I'm going to put the water in again. I'm going to add half the sugar. So we've got 100 grams of peel in here. So that's 300 grams of sugar we need. Right now I'm going to add half of it, and we're going to bring that to a simmer point. We're just going to simmer it away for half an hour on a low heat.
I'm going to put the icing sugar in this bowl.
Awesome. Okay, and then let's put that here. Now, the big thing about making icing for cake is to add the juice a bit at the time, because if you add too much, it might get too runny. That's the cake! Ah, it's ready. Should we go have a look? I've got the cake. Amazing. Great. So it's a bit squidgy, but listen, now we just need to pour this lovely
Icing.
icing all over it. Wow, guys, look at this decorating you're doing. It looks so lovely.
Yeah.
And guys, what do you think of the cake? Ottie?
Good!
That really got my tummy rumbling. What about you? So there you have it. The question is, have you got what it takes to accept this mission?
Well, that's all we have time for. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to look out for the next MBBC mission.
Stay home, stay safe, and remember, keep your distance.
Do 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 do.